maybe, actually, you're gonna hate me for this. I was thinking, so the reason I made a new copy of the Fairy GD is because I was just gonna basically make this guy usable on every single companion. Just like we did, the original idea was. That way we don't have like a Fairy GD, a Familiar GD, and all that, which are just like copies of each other. You can try that. Phew. Okay, yeah. That's kind of that's what I'm thinking. But I advise against it as your advisor. all right. What would you advise instead? Because I think last time I tried to go off on my own and try something, this happened, and it just didn't. We had to redo it all. So would you be suggesting as my advisor to... The script is so simple. So basically I'm just gonna copy and paste this for every single type. Just have a different melee companion script, no problem. Oh, so this is for all the casters. And then the other one would be for all the melee? Or do I make a new one for every type of companion? Infinite Coder, your Discord is at the bottom left of your screen. It'll have your username. You're gonna have 5 of them, right? Yes. And they're all gonna have different specials. That's the big thing. So there's gonna be melees and ranged. But the melees are going to do, like some of the melees might have like a taunt special or like a grip special, stuff like that. An AoE. Then the casters have things like a heal, a slow, a dot, that kind of stuff. So I guess if it's only 5 companions, it really... Maybe that's not that bad, having multiple scripts that are basically the same. It's just this file system is getting so bloated, I don't like it. I might reorganize this at some point. The Captain Coder, which I'm sure you all know the Captain Coder. Does anyone here not know the Captain? Shout out. There we go. For those of you who don't know the Captain Coder, absolute genius, phenomenal teacher, phenomenal human being. Make sure you check him out and follow him. But the reason I bring him up is because he was just remaking his project in Godot, and he was trying out a different way of doing it. So like typically you do like your scenes folder, your scripts folder, and all that. But he's instead doing like a folder for each type. So we have fairies, and it would be like a fairy folder, and within that would be the scene for the fairy, the any scripts for the fairies, stuff like that. So that's probably what I'll end up trying to do later. I'll just move it around. But yeah, I prefer the way where you have something scene and script in the same folder. Yeah, that's the exact way that the Captain was talking about. I don't like the way some people split scripts and scenes like that. Yeah. I think that's... We'll have to I'll reorganize this on my own time, so then it's like... Yeah, I can do that. Because I don't think we have anything that is really crazy about the path. And I know Godot's already really good at changing pathing when you do move things around here. So I'll have to sit down and reorganize that, probably after stream. But for now, we need to do, figure out, do we want to do a new script for each companion? Or do we try to do a script for melee and a script for casters? I take it back. We're gonna do the thing that I really didn't want to do. Because I have a feeling that doing the thing that I don't want to do is the thing that needs to be done. So we're gonna make a new one for each class or companion type. So we have the fairies. We're going to fix it up though a little bit. Let's try making a different fairy that has a different special. And then what would it do though? Like, make a different fairy that has a different special. So I could do like a slow effect. It slows the enemy, whatever it hits. Like it picks an enemy and puts a slow on it. Yeah. Instead of healing. Okay, yeah, we could do that. That's actually the spirit, which is a model that is complete that I just haven't brought into the game yet. So what we'll do actually is, instead of new companion class, I'm gonna rename this to the I have to rename it down here. We will rename to the spirit. Wait, it has to be lowercase. Spirit companion. Because the enemy class. Oh boy, the enemy class. The enemy class is our other way of doing things. But I think because they work, like, I feel like we just shouldn't even touch them. Just keep the enemy class the way it is. You just chuck it on every single enemy, and then we're good to go. So we'll do this. Spirit companion here. First, let's finish the fairy, though. We want to get this attack timer thing. So all we're going to do for the attack timer is we can do... I think we're just going to make a function. So I will just copy this, and I'm going to delete like 90% of it. So we're going to want to delete this. Yep. We're going to want to delete this. Yep. And then we don't need a timer anymore. Yep. And then bring this over. And then this is called attack. Check. And then attack speed. I think attack speed was literally just stats.attack speed. Animation tree. Project curve. Oh, we're gonna have to get the curve in there, aren't we? Attack speed. VAR attack speed is a float. Interesting. Why did we do that? Oh, because we set it already. But we don't need to do that. So we can do... I wonder if... Can we just do stats.attack speed? And then do times equals? Is that a thing? So this is going to take the attack speed and multiply it by 0.01. SpongeBob's. Brother, can you make anti-cheat for Minecraft? Is dying because cheating people big hard. Please make big save for all. Listen, SpongeBob. I don't know who you think I am, but I am not that intelligent. I'm not that gifted in programming yet. I just started 3 weeks ago. You can do it? We think you're God? Listen, buddy. I want to. I truly do. But I suggest just sticking to a Christian Minecraft server for now. I'm not able to make that stuff yet. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. If you guys didn't know, I'm not typically bald. I lost a bet with chat. How about to make a Minecraft anti-cheat from mobile? Who plays Minecraft on mobile? Yuck. Yuck. What is mobile? What is mobile? Mobile. Ah, shucks. Yeehaw. Ah. Peakser. Thank you for the follow. Ugh. There we go, SpongeBob's. Thank you for the follow as well. Oh, well, 360. Shucks. Yeehaw! Yeehaw, partner. Alrighty. So what the yeehaw does here is for 5 minutes, I basically try to do my best. What is that black dot there? Oh, that's that's on my screen. Basically, I try my best southern accent, my cowboy hat, and I try it best I can. Listen, I wanted to play Minecraft. I've been itching to play a little Minecraft, but I've been getting my creativity fix through editing videos right now. I haven't seen any big updates. When are we currently coding? We are currently, so we're trying to make a free 3D, all right, listen, this is our first game. And for the first game, we thought it'd be a good idea to do a mobile 3D with a bunch of complicated mechanics. I don't recommend that for your first game. So, but we're sticking with it. We're not giving up. So, Ironic in chat helped us out with some state machines. Basically, we're trying to iterate off of his beautiful creation and make it more usable for our game. I do recommend it though, so you're all good. But yeah, it's interesting. We're basically having to rewrite our entire code again. Oh boy. I swear. Trying to talk in a southern accent is very difficult. Difficult. If y'all didn't know, I spent a solid 2.5 hours now just watching YouTube videos on how to do a southern accent. And they're not going well. I've said the sentence, "A yellow dog bought a guitar," at least 12,000 times. I'll tell you what. But why? Why did I practice? Because I have a yeehaw. And to be completely honest, I bought this. We bought this here cowboy hat for a birthday party, and I kind of went a little overboard, and it's a quite good hat, and so I needed a good excuse to wear it. So I moved down from New England down to Texas, and I was like, shoot, I'll just buy a decent cowboy hat because everyone in Texas wears cowboy hats, right? Right? Wrong. I've not seen. Bro, right now, to be fair, right now it's straw hat season, so they wear straw cowboy hats, not the fancy felt ones. But if I ever go to one of them fancy conferences or fancy parties, then that wasn't even how you say it. Parties, then I have a good excuse to wear this. So that's kind of what we're doing here. Now you indeed sound like a southern dude. Well, listen, week 1 of streaming, so 2 weeks ago, my southern accent was more like a hillbilly accent. I was kind of talking more like this, you know what I'm saying, man? It was real bad. So now I learned you gotta deepen the voice a little bit and then add in that southern diphthong and a little bit of southern twang. Still a work in progress, but we'll see how it goes. I only got 5 more minutes of this. Yeehaw. All right, so what we're doing here is we're gonna end up actually. We're gonna delete this line. Delete. Well, I guess it's up to me. I'll update you on the anti-cheat in 15 years. Shoot. Well, SpongeBob's, listen, I wish you the best of luck. I believe in you, but I'm not gonna lie. Making an anti-cheat for Minecraft is next to impossible. There will always be a vulnerability to be found. There's no such thing as something that's completely secure. So you will have to keep on updating that anti-cheat as time goes on. I do recommend getting some experience with red team, blue team ethical hacking. Don't worry, my anti-cheat will be like spyware. That's a good idea. Yeah, then that way you can see them coming. Watch them through the cam and what they do on their PCs. That's how I'll catch them. What if they don't have a camera? Like, what if they just straight up don't have no cam? Then it sounds like you're kind of screwed. Alright, power of our attack speed. That's the animation tree thing. Real attack time. We set the variable for... Oh, we need the attack speed. Identify our attack speed not declared in current scope. Oh, whoops. Stat style attack speed. Now we need the attack speed curve. Now, I know in our global we did... Ah, Kenny! Welcome. Thank you for the follow. We're currently putting on our best southern accent right now. So don't worry. I don't sound this annoying all the time. Found ya. Yeah. Thanks for the advice. Good luck, SpongeBob. Good luck. Wish you the best. Alright, so now we're going to do the attack speed curve. But I wanted to first double check our global right here. Because here we got the projectile speed curve. But we're going to want the attack speed curve as well. Maybe we just put it in here. And then we call global dot curve. I think that's what we do. So we'll do this. We'll do a const attack speed. Oh, that's not the underscore. Speed curve. And set that as equals to a preload. Oh, not a reload. Sorry, a little southern coming out there. Preload. And we just got to get the res colon / I don't even know where I saved it to. Resources. We can just scroll on down. Oh, we saw it. Projectile speed curve. No, we want this one, the attack speed curve. There we go. Save that bad boy. And now I only got, how much time I got left? 2 more minutes. So now we're gonna head to the Fairy GD, and we can do, instead of here, we go global dot attack speed curve. Shucks. That didn't work. Identifier global is not in our, but it isn't global an auto load, so shouldn't that work? Or is it capital G? Capital G, that's why. Global. There we go. There it is. And now our animation tree is actually not called animation tree. It's called we didn't even put the variable in there. Shucks. Alright, so what we'll have to do is, I think what we can do here is, because this is for the fairy companion anywho, we can just do a little bit of a var animation tree and then get the animation tree from the fairy companion. I believe that's right. Var. Oh, we gotta skip that ad before we get muted again. Shooey. Alright, now we gotta check that. And then we do wait, where am I going? There we go. Alright, now we can do var animation tree as get animation tree. I think we just do, oh wait, no, we already got that. What am I doing? What in tarnation? We have that animation tree. Why animation tree? Oh, identifier attack speed. We're just gotta do this. The dot stats. That the southerner is done. Ooh. Yeah, that my head's still got some of that bald juice on it. I don't think that's good for the leather. Smells good though. I can't see it being that bad. Alright, so we got this attack speed timer. We're gonna rename this though. I don't like the name of it. And also we don't need to put a value in it, do we? No, we don't. So let's just delete this. And then instead of attack speed, or set timer speed, set attack speed curve. I think we'll just do that. Set attack speed curve. This line on your forehead. Oh my lord. Holy crap, you're right. Look at that. Oh no. Looks like we almost got slashed there or something. Whew. Yeah, that listen, the hat was shaped when I had hair, and so now it just fits weird. Okay, so that's good. Set attack speed curve. And now we will run this in the ready. But before we do that, I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleanup here. All this stuff, actually, we want well below the exports. And then we finish with a signal, I believe. And then these exports here, we're going to bring up to there. Do we even use this anymore? Yeah, we do. Okay. No, wait. No, we don't. Yeah, we don't even use these two. Time to heal, so we just delete them. Unnecessary code. It will slow us down too much. Because the time is set by the that time's set by the animations now. That's fine. Leave these groups like that. Then we have the on ready section. And then we have the variables. The enum's supposed to go... I think the enumerator goes above or below. Let's pull it up. We'll pull up the docs real quick. I think it's supposed to go GD script. Oh, interesting. It actually goes on readies are the last thing. Huh. So you go class name, extend, and then you do the signals. Interesting. Okay, we can do that. Bring the signal up, like that, like that. And then we want to do the enumerators. All right. Then after the enumerators, we want to do constants. Then we do the exports. And then that's it. Yeah, we don't have any constants in this. And then we do the variables. Wait, constants, exported variables. Okay. Regular variables somewhere. Built-in public methods, which is down here. Yeah, this is right. Okay. Then we can save this. And now let's make sure that it actually works. And then we can just kind of clean up the code a little bit more. So it should, I think it should still rapid fire right now. Whoa. Yup. Yup. I love how slow the heal goes. That is kind of satisfying though. Just perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so we don't need these things anymore. Delete these. Get them out of here. Save that. Let's delete a line here. Save that. Make our code look nice. And now we're gonna do a, or sorry, not shift enter, just enter here. We'll enter here just to space out what's going on. And yeah, function process, perfect. Use special. We don't need the state gets that. We don't need this anymore. We can leave it here for now though. To do delete on cleanup. Save that. Whoa. All right. This is -6 lines of code. This is what I call refactoring. Yeah, it is. Fairy shooting like an A10 Warhawk. See War Thunder player over here. Look, is it gone? Yeah, it's almost gone. Little mark's almost gone. It's because we got so much blood rushing to our head right now. Because we're like super refactoring. This is taking up a lot of brain power, guys. So we just keep going. We're chugging. Okay, so we got the attack speed stuff. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the note here and say changes animation speed on a curve. In relation to the attack speed. Solid. We gotta do a space just so it matches everything. And with that, I think our fairy script is done. Let's see. Actually, no, it's not. So now we need to do the attack speed curve, but for the heal as well. We want that in there. Let's first hop to the companion. Let's change its attack speed back down to 1. Save that. And I want to try, for the special cooldown speed, let's change it down to 1 and see if that actually goes faster right now. And what we can do for the attack speed curve too is we can just copy it or like make a duplicate. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's not changing the. Okay, so our attack speed variable, or not attack speed, our special cooldown speed is not being taken into account right now. And so we need that to happen. To do that, what we can do is where if companion arm, that's the movement. To do delete was for testing. Use special. So under use special, right here, is just checking if we need to heal. And if we do, then we animation playback travel special. Now, wait. Was this attack speed curve working? I think it was, yeah. It looked like it was because he was kind of like glitching out. I gotta double check that now. So we'll go to the attack speed. We'll just set to 100. Should go crazy rapid fire. And we should see it like. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, that's definitely right. That's just ridiculous. Okay. Let's set that back to 1. That's too ridiculous. Perfect. And now we'll head to. Alright. We'll do a new function. And actually, before we do that function, let's hop over to the animation tree. And for the special here, we'll do, instead of calling it attack speed, we can just call it special speed. So that we know. And then we can hop back to the code. So click that. And in our global, we'll do a new attack speed curve dot trez. we'll do this, and we can do duplicate, and we'll call it special speed curve. Yep, that's fine. And we can do a const special speed curve as equals preload res colon resources colon slash special speed curve. You should call it heal speed curve because other specials might have different animations and speeds. That's a good point. That's a very good point. Heal speed curve. Heal speed curve. And then, is this the right one? Yeah. Rename. Heal speed curve. Well, actually, what do you mean it doesn't exist? There we go. Actually, I don't think that matters because I think we do actually leave it as special because what we're doing with this curve is this is just the curve downward. And so we don't really care, like it's going to be the same for no matter what the animation is. The thing that changes is the function. So instead of multiplying it by 2.7 or 100 divided by 2.7, it would be 100 divided by whatever the animation time is. So I think the curve is actually the one thing we do keep normal. Right? Because the curve, this is just the curve. It's nothing about, nothing like specific to an animation or anything. So I think we're gonna leave that. We're actually gonna go back to special speed curve. I'm gonna rename this again back to special. Reuse things when we can. And then special. There we go. Yeah. Now we hop back to the ferry. And then we can do func set special speed curve stats dot we need to add a new stat. Pass. We need to add a new character stat. Because that's cooldown speed. So we can do export var special speed equals, I mean, it could just be as a float. Yeah, it could just be as a float. What we'll do though is we'll just make it the same as the attack speed by default, which is 1. And then the scale on the animation itself with the method call is what's actually gonna determine the other variable or factors. So then we hop back to the ferry and we can do stats dot special speed times equals 0.01 and then var real special time equals global dot special speed curve dot get a sample of it with the argument of stats dot special speed. And then from there we can do animation tree dot set parameters special speed scale stats dot special speed times 100 divided by we'll just say 2.7 right now. I have to go double check the actual time. So let me check on the animation player. Spell 2.2. 2.2. Save. Now we call set special speed curve in the ready. We didn't even set it in the ready yet. Oh my. Oh, because we have it here. We don't want that. Get out of here. Leave that. And then we can do set special speed curve, set attack speed curve. Save that. And let's test it out. So to test it out, just to make sure it's working, we're gonna do the special speed. We'll just set this to 20. We'll do the same thing for the attack speed, 20. Save that. Now it should be going kind of rapid fire, but not as crazy as what we were seeing before, the 100s. So let's watch this for the heal. Yeah, that was fast. That was very fast. And we need to link that to the... That was like really fast. Holy crap. Okay. Yeah. That's looking like our upper limit is 20. What happens if we... What if we do 2.7 again? Even though the animation itself is 2.2, I'm curious if that's going to cut it off or if it's going to make it pause. I think that would be an interesting little test. Okay. We'll just leave it at 2.2. The special is a timer. Right. Now we need to set the specials timer. And that is... special timer dot start timeout. So how do we... I don't know if you want to keep those separate, like cast speed and cooldown. I think we do want to keep those separate. I think. Do we? Let's think here. So if we keep it separate, what is it going to look like? It will look like... Yeah, no, we definitely want to keep it separate because... Oh man, wait. No, actually, I think we want to link the speed with the cooldown speed. So then that way it can go off faster. Or do we want to separate those stats? I'm just thinking like when in the future when you upgrade your special cooldown speed, should there be a separate special speed increase? Because if there's a special, like what you could do is have it with like a really short cooldown, but it takes forever to do. Or, be gone, bot. Sorry, bot, just caught a spam. That's a good question. I'm not sure. We could. Include or cooldown timer or separate. Don't know. What we could... Alright, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go pee real quick. And then when I come back, I will magically have the answer, as always. I'll be right back, team. I'll run. Alright. I slipped. Alright. That was fast. Oh yeah. ninja-like reflexes. Super speed. All right. So what I think we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna separate the timer, like the timer speed, with the special speed. Because it feels weird when we do... It feels weird when it's like taking a long time to heal. Oh wait, it's on 50, hang on. Or 20. Set that back to 1. And then we'll set the attack speed to something more realistic, like 5. I think... Yeah, because look how slow it goes. While it's attacking. Look how slow that is. Boom. And then wha-bam. 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 Oh, we need to change the X fade time on the Fairy Companion real quick. When it goes from attack to idle. Let's do like a 0.1. Just because it kind of flickers back a little too much. It still flickers. We can mess with that later, because we also need to fix the way the animations work. The animations are not doing what they're supposed to do. Okay, so to do this timer thing, we need to bring this down. So to set the timer, let's hop to our Fairy Companion here. And we have the special timer. So do we get it anywhere? Yes, we do. Special timer. So we can do func set special cooldown speed. A little bit long function name, but I think that's fine. We do stats dot special cooldown speed. Or sorry, no. Special timer dot wait time equals stats dot special cooldown speed. Which we don't even actually, we don't even have to put this into a function. We just toss this in the ready, right? Well, wait. If we toss it in the ready and we do an upgrade, does that mean we have to close the fairy script in order for it to update the speed? That almost seems like that might be the case. I guess that's something we can deal with as we get to it. But if we can prevent a problem that we can think of, then Shouldn't we try to prevent that problem? Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe we just ignore it for now. So we'll do this. We'll just cut that. Delete that. Come back up to the ready. And we can just go... there. Save. So now we do the special speed. If it's at 1, that means it should be doing this every second. Yeah, it is. That was fast every frame. Do it every frame. It's going very slow now. This animation time is a little too slow. The speed we'll just set to 2. Oh, it's 2.2 is the actual thing. So we'll set it to 3. Save. It's just the problem with running it every frame is that might slow us down. I guess that it's like a necessary slowdown though. There we go. Yeah, I like that. We don't have any damage. Let's go attack these enemies here. Now it looks more nicer. Oh, we still died. Wait, what? It healed us even though we were dead. It's still healing us. Like, oh, we can move. So we need to, in the heal, we need to check if the target's dead. That's a feature. So what we can do is actually here in the need to heal, we can say if member dot stats dot current health is less than its max health and they're not dead. And member not equal dead. That's not a thing. Unless you do... but then if we do member dot state is not equal to state dot dead, or wait, no, it's states dot dead. The problem with this though is that now our player needs states. Unless we just make a singular state, just for dead. What do we think? Do we just add a state in the player for dead? No, blend tree test. Blending running and shooting animations. No, old way. Ah. We might have to. For now, it'll just be able to heal the player while it's... Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Alright, so now we have the... I think this is all the functioning we need for the fairy, no? We got the timer working, we got the speed working, we got... I think that works. All right. The fairy just needs its drag and drop back. That's the tough one. We need to bring back the drag and drop. That's what we need. All right, let's see if we remember how to do that. Let me pull up this. Oops. It's gonna be loud for a sec. Maybe not. All right. Now, how did we do the drag and drop? We don't have the leash anymore. We have something else. It's called this thing, companion position finder, arm. Oh, we don't have anything for the fairy to go to the position, do we? Oh, we do. Move towards. Okay, so we do have that. Sweet. So now we just need the functionality for the clickable. So with the clickable is if it is pressed, add companion container. So why isn't this guy working? Let's crash the game real quick. It's probably because we already have it out, isn't it? I think it's because we already have a fairy out. Oh, the click isn't even registering. Click. Interesting. The click is not registering. Okay, that's an issue. Input event, mouse. The label might be in the way. Where's the signal going? To itself. Playback animation tree, event is pressed, label 3D text, I warned you. Wait, animation finished. That's perfect. Add companion container. Companion scene. Which is the packed scene. Which, undo that. Let's add a quick load. And we can do fairy companion scene. Open. Okay. So now it's in there. We are hopping back here. Clickable. Hit play. Then we'll have to check the player UI script. Interesting. I can't even click on it anymore. Why can I not click on it? Clickable fairy. Clickable area. Collisions? No. Check the 3D viewer. No, that's a big box. And heck, we could even make the box smaller, but no. I don't see anything wrong with it. What is that box? 3D2. Wait, then what is... Oh, it's the area's collision. Turn on visible collision shapes. Yeah, no, I see it. I'm clicking within the collision shape. Here's the box here. It's just not allowing us to... Oh, wait. Added to the party. Oh, that was someone else. Huh. Why did it break? Clickable companion. Animation tree. Alright. If event is input event mouse button and event button index is equal to 1 and the event is pressed. This worked before. So what is breaking it? Could it be we're colliding with the text above its head? Let's delete this real quick. Although I didn't think a label would have those collisions. Interesting. Let's print. We'll go to debug mode. So on it, we will just print click registered. I don't think it's clicking though. And then we'll put a debug stop. Yeah, it's not even registering the clicks. Interesting. Print the event above that if. Yeah, it's not registering. Okay. Clickable area input. So let's go back to the clickable area. Node on clickable area input event. Let's go to our input mapping maybe. Click. Clicks a thing. What if we just disconnect and then reconnect it? Sometimes just turning it off and on again. Nope. I shouldn't have got rid of that print. Print. Test. Can you search files for input? Yeah. Input. There's nothing there. In the scripts. Yeah, one moment. Okay. Oh, in the scripts. I'm being dumb. That's input direction. Unhandled. Yeah, it's not called anywhere else. And we should be calling this function because it's connected to signals, so it should just run the function when we click on it. Yeah. That's a good idea. So try connecting it, mouse entered, and print something in there. Just to the bottom. Clickable area, mouse entered. Connect. Print. Mouse entered. Oops. That's the wrong thing. Hey, have you seen the Blender Humble Bundle? I don't think I have actually. No. I saw there was something for some Godot tutorials, but I haven't seen the Humble Bundle. I'll have to check that out. How's your stream, by the way? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, my Lanta. Red topology kit. Better FBX importer. Auto bake. Game rig tools. Ooh. This one is amazing. I just picked it up. Oh. I'm gonna have to look deeper into this after stream, because this seems pretty awesome. That link is your affiliate? Gotcha. I'll make sure to use it then. I'll just save it right there. Perfect. Please. Of course. Let's do, I'm gonna actually do this. There we go. Copy that, paste it over here. Perfect. Of course. All right. Yeah, I'll have to look into that, because we desperately need some Blender skill upgrades. I don't Blender well. Come out too chunky. All right. What was I just testing? Oh, the clickable. Oh, it's not even registering my mouse anymore. Interesting. 3 to 4 of the add-ons I'm wanting to use from it have been several hundred on their own. Oh. Yeah, the big thing is I don't, like, on first glance, I have absolutely no clue, like, what they do. Or, like, the use cases for them. So I feel like if I just, like, look into it deeper and start reading, then I'll figure it out more. Retopoflow is $80 plus. Ooh. Yeah, I'll have to look. I gotta look into that more for sure. That sounds super useful. Well, I mean, I assume it's useful if it's $80, usually. Okay, clickable does not work, and the mouse enter doesn't work. I wonder if our mouse isn't registering. I don't know where it would, I forgot where it would be. I make it the add-ons, but the assets don't really interest me. Yeah, I feel like that's the thing. For me, the thing that looked interesting were the tutorial guide, like the guides, or courses, and then the add-ons. Network threading, shaders, input devices. Yeah, no, the mouse should be. The mouse is working, but why are you no longer receiving clicks? That's the ready. Am I connecting to the wrong thing? Is the area pickable? What do you mean by pickable? Like when I go to connect it? Whoa. And I can force it. Oh, it's in the inspector. Let's go back to it. Monitorable? Monitoring. Oops. Pickable, yes. What is this? Yeah, it's there. I wonder if... I can't really connect it to itself. It doesn't have a script. Why? What if I do try connecting it to itself? Yeah, no, that didn't work at all. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why. What if I do just a... No, not mouse centered. Does the clickable fairy have a different script right now? No. Can you check out the UI? Like the player UI? This is just the clickable fairy here. Nothing in 2D. And it's the player UI. Which just adds the party containers. This looks like a box. That's the wrong thing, that's why. There we go. That's so strange. Because it was just working. What did we do that changed it? Doesn't work on my end either? Huh. Because it was working in the first version. Now, that's why I'm confused now. Because that's why it said, like, I warned you, and then all of a sudden the game would crash. Clickable area is a area 3D with a big collision shape. This is so strange. Ray is pickable. Make it top level? I don't think that would do anything though. Let's try capture on drag as well. I'm not hiding the output messages. Ah, that gamer, howdy. Try adding a new one to the scene. Let's do it. Goodbye, clickable fairy. Delete. Open. Then come here. More. That works. Save. No. You know he's a character body, so you don't need the area too? Oh, I don't? I just figured you need some kind of area to detect the clicks. Do you have a signal to detect a click? Oh, input event. Huh. Oh, well in that case, let's just delete the clickable area. And let's try without it. Maybe it's having some kind of bad reaction. Let's hop to its script. And then we can connect this guy just to itself. Wait, that was on input event. I don't think I wanted that. No, that's fine. On input event. Wait, they have the same exact collision shape? The body and the area? I think they did, yeah. If you're clicking on the fairy itself instead of the area. Oh, that might have been. I mean, I was clicking all over the place, but it could have been like they were overlapping, so that's why. Oh no, it's still not working. Even with the new one. I guess maybe if I do the... We'll just take all this. Holy moly. Someone's honking. Are you winning? Yeah, something like that. We're kind of winning-ish. Oh. Change the collision shapes? What would you suggest changing it to? It's already a big box. Wait. What is... Oh, it's not the clickable. Never mind. I mean, this is the collision shape here. It's just a big box all around. Instead of a big square, delete the area 3D, then make the collision shape a ball on the fairy. All right. Sphere. Something like that. Save. Node. Clickable fairy on input event. Heck, we'll even connect this one as well. On mouse entered. We can do print mouse entered. Oops. We have two separate ways we can get an output message. still nothing. Weird. And we didn't like do anything differently too. Oh, these got yellowed. Why? Oh no, they're not. Disconnect. Delete this. Disconnect. Reconnect. It works if you put them in the center of the level. Really? So let's do that. Delete them. That's still not working for me. Did I swap it to clickable? Yeah, pick Ray pickable. Quite confused. Why this fairy hates me. Like it should. On input event. It should be working. But no where. Is there a debug that's doing it? Viewport texture set to use? No. Huh. I am confused. It's not even working if it's in the center of the level for me. Like I added it and re-added it. Or deleted it and re-added it. So it just auto spawns back in the center. But it doesn't want to work. Don't run over. Move your player there in the editor. Oh. Weird. Why is it doing that? Is it something to do with taking the position here on the input event? What if we just remove position? Event position, event position. Remember that. And then we'll grab this guy again. Bring him closer. Event position. Weird. Now it doesn't. Okay.